Hi to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to how to upload a PDF file on your WordPress. So now if you don't have any, sometimes it could be difficult for some people who don't know much about the FTP stuff, folder and stuff, because some websites they have difficult softwares to upload things, but you can pass through WordPress here. You do simple. It's a very simple thing to do. You can go to what they call media. I'm looking for media, appearance, customize widgets, menu. Let's see. You go to media. I'm gonna look for media for you. Okay. You click here on media library, so you can see. A little bit slow. Okay. Wow, so once we're here, let's wait. Okay, these are all files we have on the website, right? So since we have these files, we're going to do what? We're going to upload a new file. It could be a PDF, it could be an image, it could be a video. It's the same thing what you do. But now remember, WordPress does not allow some files which are bigger than 2 megabytes, right? So, but also you can go to settings and stuff, try that. You say click on new. After that, you're gonna click on file. I created this PDF here, and select on that and put it in. Let's see if it's gonna upload. It's busy uploading. Okay, I think it's done. So once you see it's like this, just know that it's done. But then there's some trick. You can see, for instance, we uploaded this file. There's a file we use each and every month, or each and every day, or each and every week, but we change it. But the one we changed, okay, let me say we have like coach. She has self-coaching manual, so they change each and every month. So for this month, we have the current one, so they're gonna be a new one next month. So when the new one comes in and you upload this, and you might not be good at coding or whatever, play with plugins or stuff was too much for you. The only thing you want to do is just to load that file, and the code will find that this is the file every month they have to use, right? The only thing you have to do is to upload the file. But this is something to notice here. You look at the file, which file you have the current file. For now we have this current file, which is Feb, right? Since that's the Feb file, so what you do, you got to you can download this file. Let me get you that. Let me see if we can download it. Let me see something. Copy to clipboard. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can see the name of the file. Here's the name of the file, right? So what you do, you copy that file, and when next month comes, so what you do, you've got to change that name, and then change, edit more details, whatever. Let me see, permanent, whatever. Okay, let me see here. I wanted to see if we can edit that file. We give it a new name. So okay, here we have this, and which is copy to no, let's leave that alone. So once you hear what we want to do now, what I'm trying to say is that next month the thing is gonna change, and you don't want your client to be in that trouble. What the client must do, must change each and every month this file to be like this. The file they upload should be like this, right? With the same name, right? With the current file. So this is what we have to do. So this file should look like that. So if it's like that, then you got to upload it. So when you upload it, make sure you delete the one you've been using, right? So the old one should be deleted because they're gonna be two files with the same names. It could say that it's a copy, right? So since it's a copy, WordPress might find a way to rename that. So this is something very, very, very critical to know, that the computer will always find a file. If the files are the same, it's gonna say copy or whatever. It's gonna find a different name to give to that new file, because the first file, they take it as a primary file. So, and in this instance, in this case, the first file is no more the primary file. Every month then it has to change. That's the thing. So, and the code is gonna come and look for that file. Why? It will look for the file name and also the file format. If it's a PDF, then it has to be changed to that name. So what you do after, when you rename that file to the file you put in here, I do advise that a file should be named not like 0202. The current one should have at least something like current. But in the file, when you open it, it can show you that this is issue 2, issue 3, issue 4. So by then, after when you've done those issues, when the current file kicks in, then you change that issue 2 to be issue 2, but the current file must have its own unique name. That's okay. That's something I'm trying to say. It should have its unique name. Every month it can be deleted. So maybe every month you do upload twice. You upload issue 2 for Feb, then we have current file. They are the same content. Then we have same content, right? Different names. The first name we're gonna target the way we want the download to not change. Then the second one we can maybe put it on our online store, something like that. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So once you do that, because if you upload this, the code will never understand what you're talking about. You get me? So this what this tutorial was requested by someone. That's why I'm trying to explain more. But I know it can help a lot of people here. So that's the way you upload a file. If you want a video, you do the same thing. If you want anything, so for instance, let me try to put in a video. You're gonna see what's gonna happen to a video. If I try to okay, I wanna get that video, then I try to upload it. See what it's gonna say. Didn't even give me a chance. Didn't give me anything. You see, tips to make Google AdSense whatever. AdSense account in 2021. Okay. No, look, it's here, but it won't. It's showing red. You get me? So since it's showing red, it will never upload. Why it says maximum upload file size is 20 megabytes. You get me? Not 2 megabytes, 20 megabytes. So that video is way too big to be uploaded here. So any file which is bigger than 20 megabytes, it cannot be allowed to be uploaded here. You see, that's the Chrome. So you cannot upload a video which exceeds that. It even tells you that exceeds the maximum upload size for this site, right? So that we should cancel it. So if you want to upload an image, you click there and you click add, then you can drag and drop here an image or whatever you want to. You get me? So if you want to delete the file, double click there and say permanent delete or delete permanent. You get me? So if I click here, that file is gonna go forever. I say you are about to permanently delete this item from your site. This action cannot be undone. Cancel to stop or to delete. Say okay. Then let's do that. You can see that the file is gone. So whenever you upload something you don't like, then it's pretty easier for you to do what, to delete it. You get me? So that's the thing I'm trying to say. So you saw how to upload, you saw how to delete, but what you have to know, if the file is targeted by any link, so you have to do what? You have to make sure the file name is the same like the name in the code, or where people app where people do download. So its name is gonna be like this. So you saw how to delete a file. If you're putting a new one, you double click on this, then you delete this. So once you delete that, you upload a new one with the same name, then you're not going to have problems. People are going to be able to download and everything's going to be cool. Yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and also Coach Tamsi, if you guys you are doing what you want some self-coaching manual, you can go to her website and also try to subscribe for something small, but you're gonna get a lot from that. You can see she has you can click on subscribe, okay, on the newsletter. Let me say, click here. Okay, you can subscribe on newsletter. So when you subscribe, it's something like 75 rands. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, something like $4-5. There's something cheap you pay, but she will give you every month a new self-coaching manual. So you're gonna benefit 100%. Your money will be back. You can make thousands from her knowledge. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. The website is coachtamsi.com. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. So if you didn't understand anything, please leave a comment in the comment box below. I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna come back to you and also answer your question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.